Hello everyone, I'm Shan Ren. In this episode, I will talk about the most important thing this year, which is VS Factory. It has finally been upgraded. The Seamaster 300 Series 88001 piece. Earlier, it was the No Time to Die, was upgraded first, and because the Wuxia Fusu, the original movement, is the same as the Seamaster, so it was inevitable to upgrade. That's because VS was clearing out the previous 2824 movements, the stock of the V3 version. Now it's almost cleared, and they won't make it anymore. If there are still some left, it's either being flooded by others, such as some small factories to flood VS, or some inventory. So now the top of the Seamaster 300 meters is still firmly controlled by VS. It has been upgraded to a monolithic movement. So in the future, to identify whether it is a real VS, it will be easier. It has been upgraded to the real 800 one-piece movement, a real mold movement. So some people may ask, what is a mold movement? So what is the original movement like? 70 or 80% of it is the same, including adjusting the time and calendar, and various functions, including the thickness of the movement. As we all know, the thickness of the movement, then the entire frame, the entire structure will change, whether it's true or not. The details here can tell whether it's true or not. Many friends have asked before, what model is the Seamaster 300 meters? If you ask some irresponsible people, they will say it's the 8800. In fact, merchants will tell them that it's based on the 2824 Seagull movement to make a baseplate and make it look like the 8800. This era has now been bid farewell. VS has already made it. Actually, it's a bit slow, because this base plate movement, it has been 5 or 6 years. They finally made the 8800 movement. Okay, let's take a look directly. It used to have one protruding pin. It has now become 2 posts. The previous version was the old one, the so-called V3 version. Now we can also call it the ultimate version. Look at this V3 version. It has only 1 pin, right? And the card degree is hidden below. Well, this one has 2 card positions directly above, which is directly 2 card degrees, and the movement structure is also different. Let's directly compare them. Mainly focusing on the appearance. Let's first look at the appearance of the movement. Okay, let's compare them. The basic architecture and the bridge positions are different. If you like it, you can see it in my circle. To see the comparison, here is a brief demonstration. Except for the back transparent and the structure is different, then there's the way to adjust the time. You can wind the crown directly up, right? When winding, it turns downwards. Turning it down adjusts the calendar. Okay, the operation here is wrong. You should first set the time to 4 or 5 o'clock. And then adjust the calendar. This is better for the maintenance of the movement, to avoid a conflict between the calendar and the movement, causing a phenomenon of stuck gears. The integrated machine should be adjusted downwards. The original V1, V2, V3, V1, V2, and V3 are for winding the spring, right? The second gear is directly up, and the second gear is to adjust the calendar. This is the difference. Okay, first, you can compare the movement comparison chart. You can compare them and take them out. Then adjust the calendar. You can tell if it's a real 8800 integrated watch. Well, there are no other differences. The VS Seamaster 300 meters is definitely the best in the market. Now the movement has been upgraded. The other parts have not been upgraded, are already the best. The strap, ceramic ring, dial and hands. The so-called difference is that each person ships it. The quality control of your products, because the so-called factory is actually a workshop. Therefore, the quality control needs to be checked by individuals. And then, in the future, as of now, the blue and white ones, there will definitely be various versions in the future, will be equipped with the 8800 integrated movement. Then for the white one, panda or blue, will be available. Now the factory has released them. The upper left corner is an exhaust valve. Just lock it usually. It's just a decorative thing. Nothing else, including the buckle. The previous quick adjustment was easy to break. But now it has been updated. But now it's very good. Press this push. It used to be easily broken, but now it's very good. After the update of the integrated machine, the feel of the crown is very smooth. The previous 2824 was slightly inferior. It just felt a little bit. The resistance is relatively large, so it often caused the crown to scratch, or even broken. It often needs to be returned to the factory. This is also in the future, this problem will definitely be solved. The feel is different. So this major upgrade is worth looking forward to. Of course, the price has also increased, but not much. Well, it's very good. Let's take a look at the luminous effect. It's no different from the previous luminous effect. It can even be said to be a little brighter. Look at the one on the left. Okay, that's all for this issue.